kind of interesting when you build an amplifier. I've been using amplifiers for a long time, testing them and stuff. But when you have no variable control on the front, you really need some sort of a variable control for the power, RF power control on the front of the radio. Otherwise, you may not get the output dead key that you want, and you really have to choose the proper output dead key. With these new Chinese-made transistors, it was suggested that the output dead key should be 25 watts per transistor. So basically, this is just a 2-pill, although technically it has Toshibas in it, but it's just a 2-pill. But if you want it to last a long time, because Toshibas are extremely expensive to replace, if you want it to last a long time, you need to have 25 watts times 2, basically a 50-watt dead key. So that's basically what I've got there. Showing a little bit high on that meter today. Oh shoot! I had that range doubler on. Oops. Okay. Now I've actually got the dead key too high. We're up there about 100 watts. So we're going to adjust the variable control down some. And unfortunately, when you drop the dead key, your modulation can become more sensitive. There we go. It's somewhere close to 50 watts. At least it's 38 up on the digital. And we're drawing about 10-12 amps of power. Well, maybe about 14. Now, here's the cool thing about this. I'm actually using a 4-wire fan. If you listen to it, it's slowly climbing higher and higher. Basically, the hotter the amp gets, the faster the fan speed goes. And eventually it'll reach a point where the fan speed will get high enough and it'll stop heating up even further. But that's kind of cool. The lower fan speeds means there's going to be less air drawn through it when it's at idle, which means there's less dirt will collect into the amplifier. But it will basically turn itself up when it needs more air to cool down faster. And of course there's my bar graph display. Hello! Audio! I know we're getting about 400 watts out of this amplifier. This is a brand new amplifier with a couple of recycled Toshibas on it. And I wonder if the camera heard the fan slow down as it cools off.